Good morning student, myself Mrs. Pratibha Patra, lecturer in mathematics, UCPS, Barampur. Today I will solve some problems on based on integration by parts. So before solving some questions, we should know about the formula. So what is that formula you will use, that is by parts. So while you are taking that the two functions, product of two functions, we are using the by parts rule. So here let u and b be two functions of x. These are the two functions of x. Then how to find the integration of the product? That product of two function with respect to s is given by, that is these two are product, that is the integration, the product of first function and second function dx. Here we have taken u is the first function and v is the second function. So how to integrate that one? This is the formula, that is first function u into integration of the second function. B is the second function. So first function into integration of the second function with respect to x minus integrate. Then you have to take the derivative of the first function. First function we have taken as u, that is the derivative of the first function with respect to x, and integration of the second function. We have to multiply these two, that is the integration of the second function. Here we are always taking the second function integration of the second function. Then the product of this, the derivative of the first function and the integration of the second function, again we have to integrate with respect to x. So that's why I am putting the bracket here and the whole integration with respect to x. So how to that, the point is to how to take the first function. So here I have written, that is u is the first function and v is the second function. The choice of the first function u we have taken as u. How to check? That is, you have to take the first function. U can be done according to the order of the letters of the word islet. So this is the word islet. According to this order of the letters, means here ILATE is there. What is that islet? Means we have to take the u as the order of the letter of the word islet. So we should know about the what is ILATE. Look at here, that I stands for the, here u and v are the two functions. So I is the inverse trigonometric function. Then comes L. L is the logarithmic function. A is algebraic function. T is trigonometric function. You know the trigonometric function, sine, cos, tan. These all are the trigonometric functions. Exponential function, that is e to the power x form, that is the exponential form. And here you look at here, I is the inverse trigonometric form. For example, sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, like that inverse trigonometric function also you know these things. And what is the logarithmic function? Log x in this form, if it is there, then it indicates that logarithmic function. So which function will come first according to this letter? For example, two functions are there, u and b. For example, that is integration of x cos x dx. Here the two functions are there in the multiplied form. So how to choose that u and b? Which one you will take the first function? So here x indicates the algebraic function. Algebraic is x to the power n form are there. If x to the power n form is there, then it indicates that algebraic function. And cos x is indicates the trigonometric function. Now it is the trigonometric function and it is the algebraic function. So which function you will take first? According to the order. So according to the order means here a is come first, then t comes. So we have to take that a come first according to the islet. So here a comes first, then comes t. So a is taken as, so here u is x and v equals to cos x. So in this way you can take the first function and second function. Then you can use the formula. So now we will solve one important question based on this by parts. that is evaluate integration log 1 plus x square dx. So, here in this question we have to integrate log 1 plus x square dx, means here you do not know the integration of log x. So, how to do this one? Here also two functions is not there. So, what you will do? Here nothing but 1 is there. We can write that the solution is integration, I can write 1 into log 1 plus x square dx. So, here you can use by parts to solve this integration. So, here I have taken 1 into something is that function. So, here 1 means x to the power 0, that you can take as the algebraic function. So, here 1 is the algebraic function and log 1 plus x is the what? Logarithmic function. Which function is come first, a or l? That is according to the islet, look at here, according to the islet a first, then l come first, then a, means here you have to take l is the u. So, that is u equals to, so here u equals to log 1 plus x square and b 1. Now, we have taken the first, you have to choose which function this one, then according to the letter you choose which one is the first function and which one is the second function. After we are getting the first function and second function, we have to apply in the formula. What is that formula? U into b. So, here u is log 1 plus x square and b equals to 1 dx, b equals to 1. So, you have to use the function, that is log 1 plus x square is equals to u into b, means u we have taken that log 1 plus x square into integration of b means 1 with respect to dx. I have taken only b equals to 1, with respect to dx we have to integrate, then minus integration derivative. Whatever the first function you have to take, that here the first function you have to write and its derivative, that is log 1 plus x square into integration of b dx. Here I have written the b dx, the same you have to write here dx, again you have to integrate with respect to x, means now you have applied the formula, that is u into integration of b dx minus integration derivative of the first function, that is u, and integration of the second function, then you have to integrate with respect to x. Now, what will come? That is 1 plus x square into integration of 1 dx. 1 is there, integration of dx means x. So, here I am writing x. What is the derivative of log 1 plus x square? Here you have to apply the chain rule, that is you know the log x derivative is 1 by x, but here log 1 plus x square is there, means inside the log another function is there. So, you have to apply the chain rule, that is the log function is 1 by 1 plus x square into the derivative of 1 plus x square, that is the constant is 0 and the x square is 2x. So, here I can write directly 2x by 1 plus x square. Here the integration sign is there and the integration of 1 dx here we got, that is x. Again you have to integrate this one with respect to x. So, here here what you will do now? Now you have to multiply, that is log 1 plus x square into x is there into integration. have to multiply the derivative of the first function and the integration of the second function. If you will multiply, it will come 2 is constant, here minus sign is there, 2 is constant coming outside, and x square, x into x is x square divided by 1 plus x square dx. So here the log 1 plus x square, or you can write this x here also, x into log 1 plus x square minus 2. So here how to do the integration? One formula you know, that the denominator derivative is present in the numerator, then it is ln f of x. But here its derivative is not x square, so you cannot apply that formula. So what we will do here? Here you see that the degree of the x is 2 here, here on the denominator also degree is 2. So if the same degree is there, you have to divide. So here also I can write 1 minus 1 by x square. If I will divide x square by 1 plus x square, I can write like this, 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So if the degree is same, you have to divide, then you can integrate. So here x log 1 plus x square minus 2. So I can open the bracket, that is 2 1 dx, minus sign is there. If I will open this bracket, it becomes plus or 1 by 1 plus x square. So here how to do the integration here? Log 1 plus x square minus 2 into integration of 1 dx is x plus, here 2 is multiplied, 2 into what is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square, that is tan inverse x, because the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So since integration is the antiderivative, you can write that is 2 into tan inverse x plus c. So here that implies the integration of log 1 plus x square, you got the answer, that is x into log 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 2 tan inverse x plus c. So this is the answer of the integration of this function log 1 plus x square dx is equals to log x into log 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 2 into tan inverse x plus c. C is the integration constant. Here I forgot to write dx, that is here I have written, that is integration log 1 plus x square with respect to dx we are finding. So dx equals to x log 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 2 tan inverse x plus c. In this way you can find the integration by parts. So if you cannot find the integration of this function generally, then you can use the two function, that is by parts. So this is the important one, that by parts for your exam. Thank you.